In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a site on Google Sites fast and easy. We'll walk through a straightforward method to ensure your site stays safe without taking up unnecessary space or causing clutter. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your Google account credentials to access your files. Google Drive is where all your Google resources, including Google Sites, are conveniently stored. Navigating to Google Drive serves as the first step in preparing to archive your site. Now, once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to locate the Google site you wish to archive. These sites are stored as Google Sites files, making them easy to identify. If you're dealing with a long list of files, you might find it helpful to use the search functionality within Drive by typing in keywords related to your site's name. This can save time and help you effortlessly track down the particular site you're looking to archive. After identifying the site, the following action involves moving it to an archive folder. To do this, create a new folder in your Drive. You might want to name it something intuitive like Archived Sites, so that in the future, you can easily recognize where your archived content is stored. This folder will serve as the dedicated space for storing sites you no longer need active, but still want to keep secure and retrievable. With your archive folder ready, simply drag and drop your selected Google site into this newly created folder. This is as simple as clicking on your site, holding it, and literally dragging it over to the archive folder before dropping it in. This action not only organizes your Drive, but also ensures your site is moved to a safe location where it's preserved for future access. One of the great advantages of this method is that by archiving your site, you ensure it remains safe without needing to delete it. This distinction is crucial because deleting a site can result in loss of data, whereas archiving preserves your site, allowing you the flexibility to restore or even republish it at any time should the need arise. And just like that, you've successfully archived your Google site, maintaining a tidy and organized digital workspace while keeping your site secure and readily available should you need it again. Remember, archiving is a powerful tool for managing your digital content effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel confident in managing your Google sites with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy archiving.